Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we will discuss another problem from previous year of NEET. At first we will read the problem, then we will try to solve this. Okay, so at first read the problem. Before starting the video, I will request you please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. Okay, so let's start.
A long solenoid carrying a current produces a magnetic field B along its axis. If the current is doubled and the number of turns per centimeter is halved, the new value of the magnetic field is. 4 options are given. Okay, so let's start the solution of this problem.
In the question, long solenoid is written. Okay, this is a long solenoid. I current is flowing through the solenoid. In the question it was said when the current flowing through the solenoid was I and the number of turns per unit length in the solenoid was small n and then the magnetic field was B. Now we are changing the current and we are also changing the number of turns per unit length. Okay, not the total number of turns. We are changing the number of turns per unit length. Okay, so now we are changing the current from I to 2I and the number of turns per unit length to n by 2. Okay, so number of turns per unit length is getting half and the current is getting doubled. Okay, and what will be the change in the magnetic field produced by the solenoid? This was the question. So at first we should know what is the formula of the magnetic field due to a long solenoid. The formula to get the magnetic field inside the long solenoid is equals to B is equals to mu naught n I. This is the formula of the magnetic field inside this long solenoid due to this current I. We know this n is equals to number of turns per unit length. Okay, and this is the current I. So we will apply this formula for this solution. So at first in the case 1, the magnetic field was B, that is equals to mu naught n I. But in the second case we don't know the value of the magnetic field, so we are writing this B prime, that is equals to mu naught. The value of the n is become n by 2. The value of the number of turns per unit length become half of the previous value and the current is now doubled. Okay, so this will cancel each other and again we are getting the value mu naught n I, that is equals to the previous value of the magnetic field B. So in the question it was asked what is the new value of the magnetic field when the current is doubled and the number of turns per unit length is half. So the new value of the magnetic field, new value of the magnetic field is equals to B. So this will be our correct answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. If you want to see more videos like this, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. We will upload more solution of the previous year question from NEET. Thank you everyone.